Built upon a foundation of superior rigidity, its international standard Meehanite cast iron structure guarantees a decade of deformation-free stability, ensuring consistent accuracy even when processing high-hardness titanium alloys. The true 5-axis technology handles complex geometries, like customized abutments with ease, eliminating the need for reclamping. What truly sets the GSM 5TS apart is its innovative fixture for large 140 by 150 mm square plates. This unique feature allows for high-volume bridge production, effectively reducing material costs by over 30% compared to traditional round discs.